Hey guys, what's up? It's Ellen Rules One here, aka for also those who know me as Ellen Rules One. I guess my YouTube was disabled, so I guess I'm starting a new one. And if you guys want to check out my last video of exposing a rare trader who was scam free is not scam free, and in today's video I will be trading Hey It's Me Too and Melanie100Diva. Me and Hey It's Me Too just traded my brown Vegas set for the Santa Claus set, or the Santa Baby set as you would call it. And then I'm trading Melanie100Diva, my Earth hair and dress plus a Vegas dress for her ghost hair. And I know she's scam free because we just traded. So yeah. But if you guys ever want to trade me, just subscribe to me and then message me. Because I'm always on. Or I try to be on at least. So yeah, me and Melanie100Diva are trading right now. And also for my last video, as you guys know, for those who watched, I bought a diamond pack and your VIP. So yeah. I'm gonna refresh for you guys. And what have you guys been up to lately? I was out and about probably for like a good hour and a half or two playing Pokemon Go. And I caught a lucky Feebas, a shiny Feebas. Nowadays on Pokemon Go, it's like very rare to catch a shiny, and so like I about lost it because I'm currently trying to evolve my Feebas. So it was really good that I actually caught a shiny one. Shiny ones are much cooler. Okay, here is the gift from Hey It's Me Too. And I know trading newer diamond packs for the ghost here is kind of lame, but it's whatever she wants, I guess. Okay, I just sent the trades. And I guess after she's done trading, I plan on updating my rare art book for you guys, so that for those who are rare traders can trade me. Okay, whoop whoop, here we go. Ghost here has like been the big thing lately. Where are you? There we are. If any of you guys are looking for OG Vegas hair, let me know because I'm really trying to get rid of it. And I also have a VIP ticket for trade, which I'm also trying to get rid of. So just let me know. Never mind, I'm not trying to get rid of it. She actually meant for me to trade her my Vegas hair. So like I told her that I'll give her the Earth set and either OG Vegas hair or dress. And I didn't know she wanted the hair because I just traded her the hair already. So just waiting on that, I guess. And the story of my life, guess what? I am a bagger at Schnucks, and I've been a bagger for at least a year. And I also work in the bakery, and I just got promoted to a checker. So now I'm checking, and it's actually pretty fun to do. So yeah, and I'm always looking for new friends, I guess. And if you're local from St. Louis, Missouri, let me know. I would love to meet up with people. Still waiting on that trade. Maybe I need to reload again. Maybe. There goes my phone, y'all. Here we go. This time I'll get it right. Doo doo doo. Let's see. Just ignore that. There we go. I sent them all. Now that she's done trading, I am going to update my art book for you guys. Which shouldn't be a whole lot. I just have to get rid of a Vegas set and some hair. And then I get to get rid of an Earth set and put in another Ghost hair and another Santa set. So I guess I didn't edit it correctly last time then. Rip. 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 Oh, and fairy dress. I can't forget to put that up too. It's gonna take me a hot sec to do this. Let's see. Maybe I can make these shoes smaller somehow. I'm actually gonna... Okay, here we go. No. Okay, guys, I am back with an updated art book for you guys. And like I said, if you guys want to rare trade me, all you have to do is watch this video, and hopefully you watch it. And all you have to do is message me. And ta-da! Now I'll see you guys later.